Hello viewers, I hope you are all well. Welcome to my channel Study for Competitive. I am Shankar. Now I am going to discuss current affairs on 18 June. So without wasting a time, let's start. The first one is India will send its tri-service contingent to take part in 75 Victory Day parade of Second World War Day. Total 75 members from India tri-contingent will participate in that parade. The parade will be conducted on Moscow, Russia on 24 June 2020. The President of Russia is Vladimir Putin, capital is Moscow and the currency is ruble. Next, DK Jain gets 1-year extension of Board of Control for Cricket in India, short form is BCCI, as Ethics Officer and Ombudsman. Ethics Officer and Ombudsman is a judicial body in cricket which deals the matter of fixing and other cases. BCCI President in present is Sourav Ganguly and the headquarters of BCCI is Mumbai. Next, Sustainable Gastronomy Day is observed globally on 18 June. The UN General Assembly adopted on 21st December 2016 its resolution and designated 18 June as Sustainable Gastronomy Day. Actually, gastronomy is art of food. It also can ask a method of cooking from a specific region. Next, the Asian Paralympic Committee has decided to organize 4th edition of Asian Youth Para Games in Bahrain in December 2021. The decision is taken by Asian Paralympic Committee that 4th edition Asian Youth Para Games will be organized in Bahrain in December 2021. In this game, around 800 athletes under 20 years age are expected to participate in 9 sports, namely athletics, badminton, bokia, goalball, para-taekwondo, powerlifting, swimming, table tennis, wheelchair and basketball. Garib Kalyan Rozgar Yojana will be launched by Government of India from village Telihar block, Beladur of Khagaria district of Bihar. It is a massive rural public works scheme that will empower livelihood opportunities to returnees of migrant workers as well as rural citizens. The program will be joined by the villages across 160 districts in 6 states through the Common Service Center and Krishi Vigyan Kendras. The 6 states are Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Odisha, Jharkhand and Bihar. New Delhi based Chartered Accountant Sark and Associate has been appointed by the trustees of Prime Minister Citizen Assistance Relief Emergency Situation Fund, short form is PM CARES, as its auditor for next years. So Sark and Associate is Delhi based a chartered account firms. The Sark and Associate is headed by Sunil Kumar Gupta. Prime Minister of Kyrgyzstan Muhammadkalay Abdullayev resigned from the post because of ongoing criminal investigation into the assignment of national radio frequencies. The capital of Kyrgyzstan is Bishkek. Currency is Kyrgyzstani Som. Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, in short from AIIB Bank, has approved USD 750 million, which around rupees 5,740 crore loan to India to tackle the situation after COVID-19 pandemic. The headquarters of Asian Infrastructure of Investment Bank is Beijing in China. 2 Indian firms, namely Just Money and Style Apps, are invited to participate at World Economic Forum workshops. The decision is taken in announcing 2020 cohort technology pioneers. Autistic Pride Day is observed on 18 June. Another news coming from Tripura. Tripura's only Air Marshal Shiv Prasad Chakraborty passed away. He had given major contribution in 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War. He joined Air Force in 1950. He had been promoted Air Marshal in 1981 and retired from the service in 1991. If you want PDF of this video, just visit to my site www.studyforcompetitive.weebly.com. So please like my video, share this, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.